In Photoshop, we can change the hue values of a raster image. Now, if you drag an image to a document, by default it will be shown as a smart object. Smart objects are not counted as raster images. Copy the smart object layer for backup and right-click on the copied layer. Select Rasterize layer to change the hue values of an image. Press Ctrl plus U or click on the Image tab or mouse over on Adjustments, then select Hue Saturation. Now, if I drag the seeking bar, all the color pixels of this image will change their shades with the theory of color wheel. Press 0 to reset the value. If you want to change a particular color from the image, click the drop down, choose the nearest shade, like I am selecting magenta. Notice the eyedropper icons got activated. You select the Add to Sample tool and click and drag over a range of colors to select the sample color and select Subtract from Sample tool, and do the same with these colors which you want to be static in your selection. Another way to change the color of the flower is to select the flower with selection tools, and you can also copy the selected pixels for backup.